In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to click on this section called display and brightness. Now operate this switcher next to automatic brightness located under brightness slider to either switch it on or turn it off. If you want to adjust your brightness manually, you can do that from here or by going into tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!